I'm afraid it's gonna break.
Well, you're the smart one. What do you want to do?
Trunk.
Trunk.
Sometimes, even the greatest care and planning meets up with the unexpected. That's what makes Lexus Protection Products a smart choice.
I think you're going to win this contest.
Tire and Wheel Protection Platinum Plan, through your participating dealer and Lexus Financial Services, helps protect you in the event your tires become damaged as the result of a covered road hazard.
Dad.
Every Platinum plan includes replacement-only tire coverage and even wheel replacement if it fails to seal with your tire. When you do need a repair, you'll have the confidence of Lexus quality parts and service. With Platinum Plus, you'll also have paintless dent repair for small covered dents and windshield repair benefits for covered minor chips and cracks. And with key replacement protection, you'll add coverage for lost, damaged, or stolen keys. Confidence for carrying all kinds of precious cargo.
Thanks, Dad.
Tire and wheel protection through your participating dealer and Lexus Financial Services.